Today, I'll be teaching you how to withdraw your dollar from your Deriv trading account down to your bank account without any issue. This happens to be the fastest way to withdraw money from your Deriv trading account down to your bank account. Before we proceed, let's take a short break. Welcome back. Alright, before you withdraw from Deriv trading accounts, you must first of all log in your Deriv trading account. The next thing you need to do is to click on the CFDS. So when you click on the CFDF, all you want to do is to transfer your fund. So when you click on transfer, that means you want to transfer from the trading account back to your back office. That's your CR number. Deriv calls it CR number. So this is me selecting my CR number, my back office, which is in dollars. You can see it, that is in dollars. So the next thing I want to, the down one there, which is standard SVG, is my Deriv trading account. So below is where I want to input the amount I want to transfer. In this case, it is $11.20 for the sake of this tutorial. So after inputting the amount, the next thing you have to do is to click on transfer. So after you have successfully transferred the money from your trading account back to your back office, you just click on close. The next thing you want to do now is for you to click on the menu bar. Click on the menu bar and it will bring out these options for you. When it brings out this option for you, click on the cashier. So when you click on the cashier, it will now bring out different payments, different withdrawal options. So just click on withdrawal. Yes, don't click on payment, just click on withdrawal. After you click on withdrawal, Deriv has to confirm your email. That is why Deriv is very, very safe. It has to confirm that you are the one that has this account. Click on send email. So the email will be sent to your registered email account. So this is me trying to wait for the email to arrive. So you have to wait for the email to arrive. So the email has arrived. So even if you give somebody your trading account to trade for you, your account is safe. So after the email has arrived, the next thing I want to do now is to click on yes, it is me, to confirm that it is me that is initiating this withdrawal. So once I click on yes, it is me, to take me back to the back office. Yeah, to take me back to the back office. But this one is on the email web. Because I'm not going to be leaving the email. So it will still be on the email web. So here now is for where I will now select the different payment options, different withdrawal options. So the first thing I have to do here is I will input the amount that I want to withdraw. So as usual, in this case, I just want to withdraw $11. So I will select Koro Pay, Nigerian Bank, whichever option you want to use, credit and debit card. But in this case, I'm selecting Koro Pay because I want them to do me a bank transfer. So the next option is to input the amount you want to withdraw. So I'll input $11.20, $11.20. So once I input $11.20, I'll still have to click on Koro Pay because yes, it's like the first one did not click, so I have to click on Koro Pay again. So when I click on Koro Pay, it will show me my bank account. It will show me my bank account for sake of privacy. So for the sake of privacy, I'm going to be blurring my bank account and my name. Yeah, so I just click on request payouts, and then the next thing I'll be seeing is thank you for your withdrawal. Your withdrawal request has been received. So I have to wait patiently. It doesn't take more than 30 45 minutes. The money will be in my bank account. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.